Additive manufacturing has been quietly revolutionizing the manufacturing industry, disruptive for some, embraced by us. Since 1974, we have continually evolved through the adoption of groundbreaking technologies to become a global leader in advanced manufacturing for the medical device sector. Today, after 3 years of research, planning and assessment, we take another step. Welcome to Smithstown Additive. Through our new state-of-the-art additive manufacturing facility, we're helping our customers develop better products for real-world applications. From design assessment and validation through to post-production finishing, we reduce costs, drive greater efficiencies, and minimize risk, whilst opening new areas of growth. We have invested in world-leading technologies and the people that know how to use them. Combining our rich history in machining, we now bring the whole additive manufacturing process under one roof. We help you realize your additive requirements by providing an end-to-end solution, starting with design assessment and optimization, to printing, to quality assurance, to post-processing techniques, to a functional end-use part that needs to perform. Taking a collaborative approach, we help our customers resolve the challenges they face quickly and cost-effectively. With our ability to test a product's design before manufacture, we bring your ideas to life sooner and with less iterations. Additive manufacturing is revolutionizing how products are designed and manufactured. It is breaking down traditional methods. Our customers are now only limited by their imagination. We're embracing the fourth industrial revolution, and we're ready to bring your ideas to life.